The Arctic is one of the harshest places on Earth. Endless ice stretches to the horizon. Temperatures plunge far below freezing, and for much of the year, the sun either never rises or never sets. Yet in this frozen wilderness lives one of nature's most extraordinary predators, the polar bear. Perfectly adapted to a world of snow and ice, the polar bear is not simply surviving here. It is ruling an environment that few other land mammals could endure. Despite their snowy white appearance, a polar bear's fur is actually transparent. Each hollow hair reflects and scatters sunlight, giving the bear its brilliant white coat while helping it blend almost perfectly into the Arctic landscape. Beneath that thick fur lies a layer of fat that can exceed 10 centimeters in thickness, providing insulation against icy winds and freezing waters. Even the bear's black skin plays an important role by absorbing heat from the sun whenever it appears above the horizon. Unlike most bears, polar bears spend much of their lives on sea ice. They are exceptional swimmers, capable of crossing dozens of kilometers of freezing ocean in search of food. Their enormous front paws, which can measure over 30 centimeters across, act like powerful paddles, while their slightly webbed toes help propel them through the water. Although they move with surprising grace in the ocean, every swim demands an enormous amount of energy. Their favorite prey is the ringed seal. Rather than chasing seals across the ice, polar bears rely on incredible patience. They often wait silently beside breathing holes in the ice, sometimes remaining motionless for hours. The moment a seal surfaces for air, the bear explodes into action with astonishing speed, using its massive forelimbs to pull its prey onto the ice. A successful hunt provides enough energy to sustain the bear for days, but success is never guaranteed. Many hunts end with the seal escaping beneath the frozen surface. A polar bear's sense of smell is among the most powerful in the animal kingdom. It can detect a seal nearly a kilometer away and even smell prey hidden beneath thick layers of snow. This remarkable ability allows the bear to locate food across a landscape that often appears empty and lifeless. Every scent carried by the Arctic wind could mean the difference between survival and starvation. Female polar bears face an even greater challenge. During autumn, a pregnant female digs a snow den where she will spend the long winter months. Inside this insulated shelter, usually in complete darkness, she gives birth to tiny cubs that weigh little more than half a kilogram. Blind, nearly hairless, and completely dependent on their mother, the cubs survive only because of the warmth she provides and the rich milk that helps them grow at an astonishing rate. When spring finally arrives, the family emerges into a world of brilliant white, and the cubs begin learning the skills they will need to survive. Young polar bears spend more than 2 years with their mother. During this time, they learn how to travel across shifting ice, recognize danger, swim through freezing waters, and master the patient art of hunting. Every lesson is essential, because life in the Arctic offers few second chances. Although polar bears have dominated the frozen north for thousands of years, their greatest challenge today is not another predator. It is the gradual loss of the sea ice they depend upon. As the ice melts earlier each year and forms later in the season, bears must travel farther, swim longer distances, and spend more time without food. The Arctic is changing, and one of its greatest icons is being forced to adapt to an increasingly uncertain future. The polar bear is more than a symbol of the Arctic. It is a masterpiece of evolution, perfectly crafted for one of the most unforgiving environments on Earth. Every silent step across the ice, every patient hunt, and every journey through freezing seas reminds us that survival is built on resilience, intelligence, and remarkable adaptation. In the endless white wilderness, the king of the Arctic continues its timeless struggle, proving that even in the coldest corners of our planet, life can flourish against extraordinary odds. The wild always teaches.